Okay, so let me solve the problem number 1 for week 10 discussion problem. This problem wants us to find out what are the conjugate acid and the base pairs. And so the first example is the equation shown it below. And you can see that the pair that is looks apparently water is losing and it becomes an hydroxide ion. So this is an acid by losing H plus to become their conjugate base. And so when the water acts as an acid, their counterpart here, the sulfate ion, becomes a base because they are receiving H plus and becomes hydrogen sulfate ion. Okay, so this is their conjugate acid, which is the base receiving the proton, right? Receiving the proton, and they becomes like that. Whereas the one that acid, by losing H plus proton, they became their conjugate base. So let's look for here. This is ammonium becomes ammonia by losing H plus. Once again, that's an acid, and their counterpart is their conjugate base. Conjugate base. And the other one, which is I guess this one must be able like a base. By receiving H plus, they became hydronium ion, which is by receiving H plus, the base becomes their conjugate acid. Okay, so you can really see that the Bronsted acid and the Bronsted base is essentially acid is donor. So you're looking for something that losing and losing the H plus, and the Bronsted base is essentially H plus acceptor. Okay, thank you for your attention.